It's about 90 degrees out, and these Rand solar ovens are just kicking. So I decided to make some cornbread using this yellow cornmeal recipe on the back. And I substituted the sugar for honey. And those are those little mini loaf pans you can get on Amazon. Alright, let's see how these are doing. Oh man, look at there. Might be a little bit overdone. No, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's check in this oven here. Oh yeah. Well, they don't look burnt, but they look good. Alright, so I took the 5 loaves inside, melted some butter with some honey, decided I'd slice them up and pour it on and see how they taste. And quite honestly, they tasted terrible. So what did I end up doing was just melting some butter and then sprinkling some cinnamon sugar on top, and they tasted pretty good. But I think I really overdid these. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see ya.